Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Crispy chicken wings are generally everyone's favorite, but since they're deep fried, we avoid making them at home. Today, I'm going to show you the same recipe in the Philips Airfryer, where food gets cooked with up to 90% less fat thanks to the TurboStar technology. So let's see how to make crispy chicken wings. I have a kilo of chicken wings and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder to this. You must be wondering why so much baking powder. It basically just pulls out the moisture from the meat and makes it more crisp when we cook it. So 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to mix this together really well. Now let's preheat the Philips air fryer. I'm going to preheat this at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. The air fryer is preheated. Now let's place the chicken wings on the rack. Let's shut this. And I'm going to cook these chicken wings for 10 minutes on either side at 180 degrees. So let's set the timing. It's been 10 minutes. We had cooked the chicken wings on one side. Let's flip them and cook them again for another 10 minutes. So now while the chicken wings are getting cooked, let's prepare the sauce. For the sauce, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic and lemongrass paste, 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, because our sauces usually do have salt in them, so just a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now let's simmer this sauce for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. The Philips air fryer makes our life easier, not only in terms of frying, but also you can grill, roast and bake in the air fryer as well. Our sauce is ready. Let's shut the flame. And our crispy chicken wings have got cooked in the air fryer. Let's remove them in a bowl. Let's just drizzle the sauce on the chicken wings. Mix them well. You can hear the crispiness of the chicken. Now let's remove these chicken wings on a serving platter. Let's garnish this with some freshly chopped spring onion greens. And our crispy chicken wings are ready to be served. As I had said earlier, you can make the perfect chicken wings in the Philips air fryer and you can cook whatever you love in the air fryer. So do try this recipe and let me know and keep watching Get Curried.